Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of the Mediterranean diet, a culinary journey celebrated for its fresh, vibrant flavors and incredible health benefits. We're about to embark on a culinary adventure, exploring 5 high-protein Mediterranean meals that will have you absolutely drooling. Get ready to ditch those bland diet meals and say hello to a world where delicious food fuels your weight loss journey. We're talking lean proteins, vibrant veggies, and bursts of flavor that'll have you shouting "Mamma Mia" in no time. Let's kick things off with a breakfast of champions, a Greek yogurt bowl packed with protein and flavor. We're talking thick, creamy Greek yogurt, not that watery excuse for yogurt some try to pass off. Choose plain yogurt to avoid added sugars. You can always add a touch of honey later if you need to. Now, we're going to add a handful of walnuts and almonds because healthy fats are crucial, and a good sprinkle of chia seeds for some extra fiber. Finally, top it off with a generous handful of fresh berries like raspberries, blueberries, and strawberries. This breakfast is a symphony of textures and flavors, a real wake-up call for your taste buds. For lunch or dinner, let's fire up the grill for a salmon dish so good it'll have you swimming back for more. We're talking a beautiful fillet of salmon, seasoned simply with salt, pepper, and a squeeze of lemon. Grill it to perfection, getting those lovely grill marks, and make sure it's cooked through but still moist. Now, for the side, a quinoa salad that's bursting with freshness. Combine cooked quinoa, chopped cucumbers, tomatoes, red onion, and fresh parsley. Toss it in a light dressing of olive oil, lemon juice, and a pinch of salt and pepper. Time for a vegetarian delight that's so hearty and flavorful, even the meat lovers will be asking for seconds. In a large pot, sauté some onions and garlic in olive oil until they're fragrant and softened. Add in diced tomatoes, chickpeas, vegetable broth, and a generous amount of spinach. Season it with ground cumin, smoked paprika, and a pinch of cayenne pepper for a touch of heat. Let it simmer away until the flavors meld together and the spinach has wilted. Serve it with a dollop of Greek yogurt or a sprinkle of fresh herbs for a final flourish. Let's get those taste buds singing with a chicken dish that's bursting with zesty, fresh flavors. We're talking juicy chicken breasts, marinated in a mixture of lemon juice, olive oil, garlic, and a medley of herbs like oregano, thyme, and rosemary. Let those flavors penetrate the chicken, at least 30 minutes, but overnight is even better. Then, grill it to perfection, or bake it in the oven until it's golden brown and cooked through. Serve this flavor-packed chicken with a side of fluffy couscous and steamed vegetables for a complete and satisfying meal. For our final dish, we're firing up the grill again for some lamb and vegetable skewers that are an absolute flavor bomb. We're talking tender cubes of lamb marinated in a blend of olive oil, lemon juice, garlic, oregano, and a touch of smoked paprika. Thread those succulent lamb cubes onto skewers, alternating with colorful bell peppers, red onion wedges, and cherry tomatoes. Grill those skewers to perfection, getting a nice char on the outside while keeping the lamb juicy and tender. Serve these skewers with a side of fluffy rice or a simple salad for a meal that's as delicious as it is impressive. There you have it. 5 incredible high-protein Mediterranean meals that'll have you slimming down and feeling fantastic. Remember, healthy eating doesn't have to be boring. It's about using fresh, flavorful ingredients and cooking with passion. Now, get in that kitchen and start cooking up a storm. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more healthy meal ideas. See you next time.